Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing how to use temporary chats on ChatGPT step by step. Step 1. Open your browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Once you are on the site, you should see the main interface. Step 2. Once you are in, either open a new conversation or choose an existing one. This is where you will interact with the ChatGPT model. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you are new to the platform. You will see a toggle next to the temporary chat. Click this toggle to enable temporary chat mode. This feature allows your conversation to be temporary, meaning they won't be saved to your chat history. Step 4. After enabling temporary chat, click Continue. It is important to note that while these temporary conversations don't appear in your chat history, OpenAI may still keep a copy for safety purpose for up to 30 days. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.